Maybe you have a million ideas bouncing in your head, or maybe not at all, but I understand that making your first social media video for your Catholic group is intimidating. Step 1, breathe. Repeat, come Holy Spirit. I'm serious. The source of all our communication is the eternal Word. Step 2, write down who your ministry needs to communicate to most right now. Donors, members, the lost and forgotten, parents. Write that down. Step 3, okay, now what do you need them to do? Donate, attend, enroll, laugh. Write that down. Step 4, write down what they need to hear and see in order to take that action. Keep it short and sweet. Social media videos do best at either under 60 seconds, which is one big idea, or under 3 minutes, which is 3 big ideas. Step 5, go capture it. Hold the phone or camera vertically and stable, and feel free to stay within your skill level. You don't have to make a masterpiece to make an impact. Or you can always contact a video pro and delegate it. Like and subscribe for more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you multiply your ministry.